Yo, what's up? Host with the Holy Ghost, Lamont Stokes. I'm here with Scooby.
Yeah.
What's going down, sir?
Hey, man, we doing it again, baby. Bigger and better. You already know. Laughing with Scooby right here at the block.
Ooh, it's at the
Downtown,
block?
on Indianapolis, Indiana, man. Y'all
Man.
come on out. Please do. Come on out.
Yeah, what can they expect, sir? What can they
You're
expect?
going to expect a lot of good food, a lot of good laughs, a nice vibe.
Nice.
If you want to look for something, we're doing this every second Wednesday of the month. Going forward, oh yes.
Oh, nice.
Boy will be in the building. I'm with my guy Lamont. Speak
Yes.
on it.
Speak on it.
Come on. Hey, collaboration is about to be bananas.
Yeah, it's
What y'all
gonna be a
going
beautiful
out,
thing.
man? Especially you ladies. I know y'all want to get y'all giggle. Oh, I wouldn't want to bow. Stop. Come on, check this out. It's going down tonight, baby, right here at the block.
Let's get it.
Yeah.